Hello, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today we're going to talk about my Harley Davidson men's Killian riding jacket. So it lists on the Harley Davidson website for $295. So if you're interested after this video, I will leave a link in the description down below that you could click on and go and get a jacket. But before we get into the jacket, I just want to say thank you very much to all my subscribers. I'm at 81 today, heading toward that 100. So do me a favor, check out all my videos, go to my channel, check them out, hit that like button and subscribe, please. Alright, so now we're going to get into this. What I'm going to do is talk about a couple things here about the jacket, and then I'm going to take it off, lay it out, and I'm going to disassemble the whole jacket. Right now, the jacket is all together. All the layers are in it. I'm all zipped up here. This jacket is actually a 3X. I bought this when I was, last year I weighed 245 pounds when I bought the jacket. As of now, I'm on a diet. I'm down to 205. So this jacket is actually a 3X. And it's still not that bad on me. I probably could be in a 2X now. So, you know, for my height and my weight at 205, this is a 3X on me. So I think they are sized a little small. So if you think you're an extra large, maybe you want to get the 2X, you know. So just to let you know, it's 3X. Alright, one of the features I want to show you while the jacket is on me is how it has a double zipper. Alright, so if you take the second zipper here, when you sit on your bike, you zip it up and you sit down, the jacket kind of opens up around the bike. It's very nice. It makes the jacket very comfortable. Harley Davidson does not advertise this as like a windbreaker, wind resistant jacket, but the material it's made out of, when I ride, I don't really feel wind passing through this, especially if you have all three layers in. Now the one thing I will say about this jacket is the extra layers that zip out. It's not that easy to do. It's not a 2-minute operation. So what I will generally do is at the beginning or at the end of the season, when it starts getting cold, I put the layers back in and I leave them in at that point until the next year. And then I start riding in the spring. I have the 2 layers in. When I feel like it's getting warm enough out, I will unzip the layers inside, take them out, hang them up, and I will just wear a sweatshirt underneath if it's a cool day, because I do not want to be putting these in and out. So I take them out when it gets warm, put them back in when it's really getting cold in the fall. Alright, so I'm going to take the jacket off, lay it out, and I'm going to go through all the different compartments and features and talk about it. Alright, so I have the jacket laid out here in front of me. We're going to go through everything and dissect it. Alright, so up at the top here, we have our button for around the neck, whether you have a small neck, bigger neck, whatever your neck is. Alright, you got your standard zipper, and like I said, it's actually a double zipper, so you could open and close that. Alright, we have 2 large front pockets here, one on that side, one on this side. Under the arms here, this is a nice stretch material, so you get a little bit of flexibility in there. Alright, and here on the sleeves, you have vents, so in the summertime, you know, you could let a little air in, and I'll show you the vents on the back, so the air kind of passes right through the jacket. In the sleeves, right here, it does come with the armor in the elbows. So you have armor in your elbows, a little more stretch material there. Alright, anything else on the front here? I don't think so. Alright, so let's flip the jacket over. Alright, so on the back of the jacket, there is armor up in the shoulders. There's armor that comes in the jacket. I didn't put any of that in. 2 air vents on the back of the jacket. Like I said, you could unzip these that allows air to pass through the jacket. All right, and then this is all a little bit of stretch material around the jacket, so it's a very comfortable fit. Little bit of cushioning down here, very nice. All right, so what we'll do now is let's start getting into the inside of the jacket. We're gonna unzip it. Okay, that's layer 1 unzipped. Okay, now I have in here, these 2 zippers are to actually take a liner out. There's another pocket on the inside here, a small, well, it's actually a pretty big pocket. You put your cell phone or something in there. All right, and then the inner layer has a Velcro and a zipper. So it's actually, when it's all together and all of the liners are in, there's 2 zippers and a Velcro. Okay, and then that gets you inside the jacket. All right, before I get into taking the liners out, I just wanted to show you this because I know when I read online there was people that had questions about this. So around your wrist here, this jacket has a Velcro that you close up to tighten it, loosen it, whatever you want. And there's also a zipper to give you a little more room to get your hand through when you're putting the jacket on, and you zip it up and you adjust there. All right, so now to get into the liners and how to take them out. All right, so I want to show you what makes this part of the process pretty difficult. Is you have your jacket, and then you have the waterproof liner, which buttons, there's a button that it connects to in the sleeve, so you got to push the arm in and you got to get these buttons clamped on to hold it in place. All right, and then there's this layer here, which is called the warmth layer on the inside, and that also has a snap inside of the waterproof layer that you have to snake it in and find the piece and get it on. So when it comes to that, it's not a 2-minute project to put the liners in this. So when you take them out, make sure you take them out for the, for the summer. Like I said, I'll ride with the jacket with a sweatshirt underneath to keep me warm. All right, so let's start. We're gonna take out this first liner is called the warmth liner. Okay, so to take that out, we're gonna need to go over here. All right, we'll unzip it on this side, and it unzips all the way around. Okay. All right, so the warmth layer is unzipped. Now we're gonna have to go into the sleeve, find the warmth layer, undo the button off of the waterproof piece, and it should, ta-da, that one is out. And then I'll come over to this side. All right, so we want the warmth layer out, which is this piece, one snap. Okay, and now your warmth layer is out. Okay, now the next layer in here, this is the waterproof layer, makes the jacket waterproof. All right, so you could ride with that, leave it in if you want to have it waterproof. It in the summer it'll still make it a little warmer, so I generally I'll take it out. I usually don't ride in the rain. If I do, it's because I got stuck in it. All right, so to take out that layer, all right, we got 2 zippers for that. We got a zipper there and a zipper here. unzipped. All right, and then we come over here, we'll open this up. I think this might have, yes, this one's got 2 snaps on it that holds it in. Okay, 1 and 2. All right, and then take that out, come over here. Should have 2 snaps, 1, 2. Okay, and we got a snap up top that holds it up there. So there is the waterproof layer out of the jacket. Okay, and now you're back to just the regular jacket. All right, and then what we have inside of this, all right, you still have the one large pocket here. There's another pocket over here, but it doesn't have anything to keep it closed. All right, so they have a spot here if you want to purchase the additional back armor. All right, it'll go into this pocket back here, and then you will have back armor also. So this is the Killian men's riding jacket by Harley Davidson, $295. It is a pretty heavy jacket when it's all put together, but I love it. You know, it's got all kinds of uses. Either if you put everything in it, it's a very warm jacket, and like I said, they don't advertise it as a windbreaker, but it does do a good job of keeping the wind off of you. All right, so here I am with the men's Harley Davidson Killian rider's jacket on without any of the inner layers. Like I said before, I started out at 245. I'm down to 205. This is a 3X, so I'm feeling like it's a little bit big on me now. I probably could be in a 2X, but I'll take a spin around here so you could see. Also, what I didn't tell you was it is a black jacket. These patches and the writing on the front and the material is reflective. It has some reflectiveness built into it, so that's a good thing. All right, so listen, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. All right, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.